So you hear us talking a lot about our forward-facing sonar, and there are so many different ways to utilize this technology. And where I really love to take advantage of that is in a river situation. You know, typically when you're river fishing, you make a drift. If you catch one, you try to duplicate it again. If you don't catch one on that drift, you just figure the fish moved along. But one of the things that's key here in river fishing for me now is the entire time that I'm making my drift, I'm keying in on whatever depth I've decided to make my pass on, but I am scanning back and forth the entire time. And what that does is it allows me to quickly recognize when those fish move up or down the break line. And in a situation like this on the St. Clair River, where you have this giant Lake Huron running into the river, and that current is kind of pulsing, so it's constantly changing. And as that current changes, those fish are also going to reposition. So utilizing my forward-facing sonar absolutely increases my ability to quickly recognize how those fish are setting up.